Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to save a Google Doc to your iPhone? For offline access or easy reference, you can follow these steps. Very simple and easy. Let's get started. If you haven't already, download and install the Google Doc app from the App Store. Launch the Google Doc app and sign in with your Google account credentials. Find the document you want to save. You can browse through your recent documents or use the search bar to find it quickly. Tap on the document to open it. Then, to ensure you can access the document offline, tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner of the document. From the menu option, select Available Offline. This will download the document to your iPhone, allowing you to access it without an internet connection. Once the document is downloaded, you can find it under the Offline section of the Google Doc app. If you prefer to save the document as a PDF file on your iPhone, open the document in Google Doc, tap on the three dots menu and select Share and Export. Then choose Export and save it as a file to your iPhone. Note: ensure you have sufficient storage space on your iPhone to download and save the document. The Google Doc app also allows you to work directly with Google Drive file, offering flexibility for editing and collaboration. By following these steps, you'll be able to save Google Docs to your iPhone easily for offline access and sharing as needed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.